Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I maintain my straight hair for long periods of time in super hot weather. So if you're interested, keep on watching. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. All right, let's hop right into it. So this whole entire process is going to start before you even straighten your hair, and this is the prep process. And this is when you make sure that your hair is thoroughly cleansed, shampooed, and conditioned, as well as detangled before you even straighten your hair. This process is super important because if you don't do this, then your hair is not even going to straighten right, and you need to make sure your hair is thoroughly straightened to keep it straight longer. So when you're cleansing your hair, you want to make sure you get all of the product out of your hair. And I'm talking about the shampoo, the conditioner, deep conditioner, whatever you're using to thoroughly cleanse your hair. You want to make sure that your hair is squeaky clean and all the product is out before you even straighten your hair. And I have a few videos on straightening my natural hair. I will link them down below in the description box so you can check it out. Alright, so the next step is to straighten your hair, and you want to make sure you use a flat iron that is high quality. I will link my favorite one down below in the description box. So this is how my hair looks after thoroughly straightening it, and I'm going to fast forward to a week and a half later. The last week was super hot, so you'll see how my hair looks after being in heat for a week and a half. So as you can see, my hair is not as straight as it was obviously when I first straightened it, but it is holding up pretty well. When I have straight hair in the summer, I like to wear ponytails a lot during the day when the heat is at its highest, and then I wear my hair down at night if I'm going out somewhere or something like that. But for the most part, I just wear ponytails. Make sure I stay in air-conditioned facilities as much as possible because, you know, this natural hair, it will revert back. So I make sure I stay in cool areas. Okay, so another thing I do to maintain my straight hair is to use dry shampoo. And I've really been loving this one by Voirhair. This is their She's Like the Wind Invisible Dry Shampoo and Conditioner. So this product has a micro powder formula, and it functions as a dry shampoo and conditioner, and I love how it dispenses onto my scalp, and I just rub this product all into my hair, and it really refreshes my hair. And I like how this product doesn't leave a white cast or residue or anything like that, and it's super travel friendly. I took this on my last trip, so yeah, I'm definitely in love with this, and it's great if you want to prolong your straight hair without washing it the traditional way. So what I like to do is take a big paddle brush and brush that product throughout my entire head of hair. The next thing that I like to do is to apply a great hair oil elixir that is going to make sure that my hair is smooth, as well as give it that hint of natural shine. And I'm also going to be using another product by Voirhair, and this is their A Walk in the Sun Luxury Hair Oil. So I like to take a couple of drops of this oil, a little goes a long way, rub it into my hands and rub it all over my hair. And I love how this actually keeps away any type of flyaways that I might have. It helps my hair to lock in moisture, as well as I feel as if it brings my hair color to life as well. So I really like this oil. And after I straighten my hair once, I normally don't put any more heat on my hair, but if I wanted to, it doubles as a heat styling shield to protect against damage. So if I wanted to do any type of touch-ups, that would be great because I won't get any type of heat damage. So after that oil absorbs into my hair, I would just take that brush again and brush my hair, and I'm basically good to go. So that's about it. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give me a huge thumbs up if you did. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video, and hit the bell so notifications can come straight to your phone. You can follow me on any of my social media at Maryam J. Hampton, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.